على مثلا Honeywell, they are giant in automation in BMS. The analog controller must be alone. The input is different than the output. The digital is different than the discrete, and so on. We will come to it. And the voltage, like 0 to 10 is different than 0 to 5, is different than 0 to 15, and so on. We have concised all those in one, which you can play with by software, and it changes. Meaning, you stock only one thing, and you use it as you wish. Magic. Okay? We will come to it in a few minutes. Irrigation, outlets, infrared, hotelier, integration, show control, and user. In show control, here, we, thanks to HDL, thanks to our sister company HDL, we became the most powerful in show control and in integration beyond your imagination. Why? If we look at show, what is show? Show is stadiums, opera houses, something like you have seen in Beijing 2008, that you will see, for example, in London 2012. You will see us participating there in London as well. We are already invited because we have accomplished in 2008 in Beijing. We will show you some of our case studies. The show control is different. You are dealing with different types of equipment, with media equipment, broadcasting equipment, with special lighting equipment, with heavy loads. It's totally different environment. When you are doing a show, you're controlling sound, light, smell, vibes, shapes, speed, hundreds of things. Not only light or AC or whatever it is. Many things. Now, that experience from HDL made the link, the first time link between two different industries, home and building industry and show industry. They were strangers. In the show, they use ArtNet. I don't know if you heard about something called ArtNet protocols. They use HNet protocols. They use DMX 512 and DMX protocols. And they use other things, which we never heard of in our building industry. In our building industry, we know BACnet, LoanWorks, MNet, Modbus, C-Bus, A-Bus, I-Bus, S-Bus, etc. Bus and other things. Okay. I will not take a lot of your time. We will show you something very fast. Okay, lighting. What do we do in lighting? We do in lighting the following. We can control any light on off. Very simple. And here again, we will tell you something nice. Maybe you are using Lutron. Maybe you are using Dynalight. Maybe you are using Clipsal. Maybe you are using Polaroid. Maybe you are using iLight. Maybe you are using Vantage. Whatever it is. We are unique. Unique. When we give you a product, we give it to you extremely protected. Surge protection, overload protection, overheat protection, polarity protection, many types of protection. We don't want that product to come back to us. Once we give it to you, we kiss it goodbye. We have a man in the factory with very big lips kissing the product goodbye. بالعربي فيها بوس. يا شباب هلا اذا اجينا على اللايتنج كمثال احنا متميزين فيه بشكل كبير بعده اشياء. احنا بنديكم اي كل منتجاتنا بشكل عام مو بس اللايتنج بنعطيكم اياها فولي بروتكتد بجميع الاشياء سواء بالاوفرلودنج بالاوفر هيتنج بالسيرج بروتكشن بالبولاريتي باشياء كثيره ثانيه. تمام؟ short circuit protection, many things. هلا الحلو كمان اللي عندنا هو السايز تبعنا واللودز، مقدرتنا باللودز، زائد انه all our systems are green. هلا بنرجع عليها بعد شوي. السايز انا بعطيك السمول DIN rail size بعطيك 6 amp dimmers, 5 amp dimmers, 3 amp dimmers, 2 amp dimmers, and if you want to boost it to 10 amp and 20 amp, no problem. معناها space savers.
And how many circuits?
2 circuits for 6 amp, 4 circuits for 3 amp, and 6 circuits for 2 amp in one small module. We will show you now. This module. So this module ده فيه you can choose either 6 channels 2 amp or 4 channels 3 amp each, or 2 channels 5 amp each or 6 amp each. اوكي الموديول ده. في عندنا موديول ثاني، الموديول الثاني اصغر منه شويه بتاع الريلي. عندنا 4 channel 20 amp ريلي، وعندنا كمان 8 channel 16 amp ريلي. جيبوا لي اياهم.
هذا fluorescent or not?
شو؟
Can dim fluorescent?
Ballast control, of course. We can do fluorescent by 2 ways, by daily and by 0 to 10 volts. Of course, you have to buy dimmable ballast, either 0 to 10 or daily. We do not do DSI.
But the interface is inside this unit.
Expensive.
The interface inside this unit,
yes,
without any additional equipment.
Without anything. For the lighting, your halogen, incandescent.
No, I'm not talking about percent. I'm talking about the percent, compact percent, or whatever. It needs
only fluorescent. You're talking about fluorescent.
Percent. You have full wire.
For fluorescent, you have to buy dimmable ballast. Imagine that this is the dimmable ballast. Usually, معاك هون ballast ده?
This is with the lighting equipment, okay?
That's lighting equipment.
Okay, legal, okay? I'm talking about your
Here,
unit.
only this one. For daily, one like this, even smaller than this, it controls for you 48, 64.
Okay.
64 addressable channels of daily.
That means this unit is include 4 wire. 2 wire for power
We will
and 2 wire for
we
control.
will come to that in a few minutes, how to wire. But I'm just now explaining about the product. First the product, okay? معلش يا شباب هنجيكم شوية شوية داخلين في الغويط. بس أول شيء هلا عم نشرح إنه أول شيء we can control the lighting. Lighting, how do you control lighting? Lighting, either you control the light as on or off, or you control the lighting by intensity, dim and ramp. يا بتعمل dimming يا بتعمل لها ramping، صح؟ أو on off. دول طريقتين. طيب أو الضوء نتحكم فيه بالكولر، يعني red, green, blue, violet, mixing things together, couple of million colors. RGB. تمام؟ This is mainly how we control the light. If we are dimming it, we have halogen, incandescent, cold cathode, fluorescent that you talked about, اللي هو ballast control, LED, etc. So we can dim the LED, we can dim many different types.